Surfing the Channels, a journey through TV. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating phrase you might have heard, surfing the channels. It's a common term, especially in the context of watching TV. So, whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English, this video is for you. Let's get started and uncover the meaning and usage of this colorful expression. Surfing the channels refers to the action of flipping through TV channels to find something interesting to watch. It involves pressing the channel buttons on your remote control quickly, moving from one channel to another without spending much time on any single channel. Think of it like surfing on waves at the beach, but instead, you're riding the waves of different TV programs. The term surfing originally describes the sport of riding waves on a surfboard. However, in the context of TV, it captures the idea of moving smoothly and swiftly across channels, similar to how a surfer moves across waves. This expression became popular as television technology evolved, and viewers had more channels to choose from, making channel surfing a common activity. You can use surfing the channels in several contexts. Describing an activity: I spent my evening surfing the channels, looking for a good movie. Expressing indecision: I don't know what to watch. I guess I'll just surf the channels until something catches my eye. Commenting on TV habits: with so many channels but nothing to watch, people end up just surfing the channels. Surfing the channels is more than just a phrase. It's a reflection of our interaction with television and the abundance of choices it offers. By understanding and using this expression, you can enrich your English vocabulary and express yourself more vividly. We hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the vast ocean of the English language.